Hey, welcome to another episode of JL Johnny's Jeep Life. We're down here again today at GTA Jeeps in Brampton, Ontario, just picking up some parts. Today I picked up what is known as a Tazer. I'll show you that in a few minutes. So I mentioned that I was going to tell you what a Tazer is, but before I do that, I'm going to show you how to access the wires. With this little port here, this is the reader that your dealership would use to reset all your codes. Right above that is these two wires. What we got to do is unclip those from the harness and plug it in. Now that they're plugged into the Tazer, you'll see that the light flashes. As soon as it stops flashing, you can get started. What we do is we put the car in run mode but don't start it. So because I got bigger tires, I'm going to have to change that in the system. And how we do that is right there. And we change it to 35 inch. .03, that's close enough. That will make it so that my odometer and speedometer are accurate. Because right now I was 8 kilometers an hour off of the actual speed that I was going, which is pretty good chance that I would get a ticket for speeding. So let's enter that. That is now set. And now to the nanny services. And then there's this really annoying button here. Every time I come to a stop sign, it shuts the car off. So if I hit this button while this isn't engaged, and then I shut the car off, the next time I turn the car on, that should automatically turn on for me. Boom, done. Didn't have to touch it. So that is a way to automatically and permanently turn off that nanny service. That is something that is asked by a lot of JL owners, and we finally figured out what it is. So get yourself a Z Automotive Tazer, and this will fix that problem for you. So my wife and I just took the Jeep out, and on her phone she's got a GPS ad that reads how fast we're going. And last time I checked, I was way off. I was off by 8 kilometers an hour. This time it matched perfectly. I was going 60, the app said I was going 60. I was going 80, the app said I was going 80. So this is exactly why I had to get this. The nanny service was just a bonus, and I was looking for any way to shut off that annoying automatic off, automatic start button. And I'm so thankful that that worked. As soon as I turned the car off and turned it back on, it instantly turned it on. And I did, every time I start the car, I always forget it, and I get to a stop sign and it shuts my car off. So annoying. But that problem no longer exists. This is a burning question for every JL owner out there who's been asking how to turn off that nanny service of the automatic stop. Every time you come to a stop sign, it shuts down, and nobody's been able to figure out how to disable that. Until now, you couldn't disable that other than unhooking something under the hood. This is a permanent solution for that. So go on out and get yourself a Z Automotive JL Tazer Mini. It works perfect. Only thing I suggest is if you're going to take your Jeep in to get serviced, make sure that you reset it and unmarry the system. The tire size is fixed. So now I will get proper gas mileage, and speedometer and odometer readings will be correct, which is very important. If you do like this video, please do me a favor and click that like button below. And hey, if you're not a subscriber and you want to, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you get a notification every time I make a new video. That's it for this episode of JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Until next time, keep the rubber side down. We'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.